Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to book a ride on a Lyft. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step by step process to book a ride on a Lyft, so you will be not confused about that how to book and all. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Lyft application on your mobile device, and before that make sure you will be logged in that. Now you have to select your that destination and all. After selecting the destination information, so you have to select your ride which you like best according to that price and all. Then you can add your payment method also from here. Now you can see here one select standard option is there, so click on that select standard option. So after that, now you can see one option in the next page as a confirm and request option is there, so you have to click on that, and in this way you can book a ride on a Lyft. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.